Hi, I am Sayan. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. This video is about the evolution of Buick LaCrosse from 2005 to present 2024. The Buick LaCrosse is a mid-size sedan manufactured and marketed by Buick. Production for the North American market ended in 2019, and continues in China as fourth generation. The LaCrosse debuted in late 2004 as a 2005 model. It was initially available in three trim levels: a 3.8-liter 3800 Series 3 V6 available in base CX and mid-level CXL forms, and a 3.6-liter HFV 6V6 in the top-line CXS model. Power is routed to the front wheels via 4-speed automatic transmission and 6-speed automatic for China. A super trim of the LaCrosse debuted for 2008. Power came from the 5.3-liter small block V8 engine. The super model was one of the fastest modern production Buicks ever built, with a factory top speed of 240 km/h. Shanghai GM introduced the Buick LaCrosse in February 2006, as a more upscale companion to its Buick Regal sedan. In 2008, Shanghai GM introduced a mild hybrid system on the LaCrosse. It is the first hybrid vehicle in the Chinese market as well as the first hybrid in its segment. The redesigned second generation launched at the 2009 North American International Auto Show in Detroit, Michigan. The 2.4-liter Ecotec 4-cylinder replaced the 3.0 V6 as the standard engine on the CX model in the first quarter of 2010. The 3.6-liter V6 continues to be an option on the CX and front-wheel drive CXL and standard on the CXS and all-wheel drive CXL. Transmission option was 6-speed GM6T70 automatic. The third-generation LaCrosse debuted at the 2015 LA Auto Show as a 2017 model. The car was powered by a GM small gasoline engine and GM Ecotec engine in China. Starting 2018, the LaCrosse comes with a mild hybrid 20 kW electric and 2.5-liter Ecotec gasoline engine sending power to the front wheels through a 6-speed automatic transmission. Third-generation features included automatic parking assist, an all-new 3.6-liter direct injection VVT V6 engine, externally sourced 8-speed ASIN automatic transmission for 2017 models, and starting 2018 an all-new 9-speed GM9T60 M3G automatic transmission with the optional V6. In 2023, Buick unveiled the fourth-generation LaCrosse. It is available in 4 trims: Beyond, Enjoy, Premium, and Avenir. The LaCrosse will only be offered with a turbo 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine at launch. A 1.5-liter 4-cylinder for the base model will be available later in 2023, mated to 9-speed 9T50 Hydromatic automatic transmission. Thanks for watching Automotive Revolution. Please subscribe my channel.